Rachel and Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today I'm answering your questions. This one comes from Liz Serrano, and she says, my struggle is knowing how to monetize my blog and what is the most effective way to do it. I have a book in the works, so I'm aware of ebooks, but I would also love to do an e-course, just not really sure what would be successful. Good question. So I've done everything under the sun to monetize my blog, and what has been by far the most successful is creating an online course that would really serve my audience. So I would love for you to think about what is really the struggle, the pain point that your audience is having. How could you solve it with an online course? There's a lot of wrong ways to deliver an online course. In the Impact Blogging Academy, we really dive in deep in how to do it the right way. I have a lot of tips for you on my blog at she'smakinganimpact.com as I'm getting text messages, squirrel distraction. But by far the most lucrative way is through doing an online course. Yes, you can make money doing ebooks for sure. We do. We sell our ebook every single day. But when it's a $9 ebook, $17 ebook, you need a lot of volume to actually make substantial income. If you have an online course that you sell for $297, $497, $997, you don't need as much volume, just some key people on a consistent basis, right? Okay, so I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to head to she'smakinganimpact.com for lots more tips and strategies to help you build your business, and I'll see you later.